My name is Catherine, and I'd like to welcome you to Blue Springs, Mississippi, home of the world's best-selling vehicle, the Toyota Corolla. In 2007, our parent company, Toyota Motor Corporation, selected this site to be home to its 10th wholly owned plant in the United States. The economy put the plant project on hold, and we began production in 2011. Since then, we have produced nearly 2 million vehicles. Please join me as we take you on a virtual tour of our manufacturing facility.
Welcome to Toyota, Mississippi, home of the world's best-selling sedan, the Toyota Corolla. Toyota, Mississippi sits on 1,700 acres of land and under the roof of a 2 million square foot facility. We have 3 on-site suppliers and 7 on-site vendors. Together, Toyota, Mississippi supports over 4,000 jobs. At Toyota, Mississippi, our team members use the Toyota Production System, known as TPS, to build the highest quality cars in the world. You may wonder how a newly hired person becomes equipped with the knowledge and skill needed to become a professional automaker for Toyota. We rely on key trainers to train, guide, and support new hires through their robust training program lasting several weeks. There are many things to learn and do as a new team member. Learning the Toyota way, respect for people and continuous improvement, understanding the Toyota Production System, to becoming an industrial athlete through fitness training at our on-site gym. The hands-on training using simulation equipment and computers takes place in our dojo training centers. After successfully completing the training, our new team members start their professional automaker career with confidence and excitement. Now, let's take a look at how we build a Toyota Corolla. Each Corolla takes approximately 20 hours to build. We begin in the stamping department, where each vehicle starts as a blank sheet of metal. Our press shapes and bends the steel, applying up to 4,600 tons of pressure. Each day it produces about 2,300 parts, roughly 1 every 7 seconds. The next step is body weld. In body weld, robots and team members work together in harmony to join the stamped parts together. Our spot welding robots combine high pressure and high electrical current to create nearly 3,000 welds on every car we produce. Our main body line is completely automated and produces 1 Corolla shell body every 70 seconds. The shell bodies are lifted from main body line up to an overhead inspection area using our largest robot. Our team members call these large material handling robots Godzilla due to their immense size. These robots can work with loads up to 1 ton, and nearly 4,000 pounds of concrete hold each Godzilla in place. The final stop in main body is final weld. Here, the body is fitted with the doors, hood, fenders, and luggage compartment. The body surface is smoothed in preparation for the paint process. Team members wipe down, dust, and vacuum each shell body to ensure a quality vehicle is sent to this next process. Battery-powered automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, transfer every Corolla shell body from welding to paint. In paint, over 300 team members and 26 robots work together to complete 1 every 71 seconds. At Toyota, Mississippi, we use a technique called waterborne 3-wet paint process. This system applies the primer, base coat, and clear coat on a wet-on-wet basis with only 1 baking process carried out at the end. 3-wet paint technology is cost-efficient, environmentally sound, and produces durable, high-quality painted vehicles. Freshly painted body shells then travel by overhead conveyor to assembly. Assembly is the largest area of the plant where freshly painted body shells are transformed into complete vehicles. Once in assembly, the doors are removed from the body and travel to the door line, where they are fitted with the appropriate options. Completed doors then match up to their respective vehicle at the end of the final line. Removing the doors supports team members' ability to assemble interior parts easily and improves ergonomics. Throughout assembly, you will see just-in-time manufacturing in action. Just-in-time means parts are delivered as needed throughout the build process. From process to process, our vehicles travel on platforms that we call skillets. as they are used like a skillet to carry the item along the line moving on rails. Using skillets allows height adjustments at various positions and gives our team members the ability to work in ergonomically correct positions. Throughout the plant are many examples of our and-on system. This tool is designed to empower our team members to have control over the quality of their specific process. If a team member encounters a problem, they may pull the and-on cord and ask for help. Team leaders and group leaders are alerted that support is needed by a tune and lights on the and-on board. Together, they will try to correct the issue without stopping the line, but if necessary, they may stop production or tag the vehicle for review later in the assembly process. Toyota Mississippi was selected to produce every new Corolla service part for all of North America and for our new South American export models. For example, if a Corolla needs a new fender, door, or hood, those parts will be produced, processed, and shipped from right here in Mississippi. After final inspection, our vehicles undergo a series of functional tests to ensure we deliver the safest, highest quality Corolla to every customer we serve. We operate on a pull system, which means that each Corolla we produce already has a destination. Once the vehicle is complete, our team members drive it across to our marshaling yard. From there, it is transported on truck or train to dealerships and ports en route to its new owner.
I'm glad you were able to get a sneak peek into our plant today on this virtual tour.